Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. Here I will tell how to solve using airplane mode. Make sure you have no baterai, smartphone, and a packet data that need to be underlined. Here I do not say the internet is free. In this video, I was more focused on the problem stabil and efficient baterai. Further to the tutorial.
The first step is to activate the airplane mode. Then to the phone and dial star fans 4636 fan star. Here you see the writing disconnect GPS service and network type is still unknown. Here you have to turn on the radio. To stay just one click, later GPS service will connect and become per type LTE. Here we have managed to use the internet airplane mode. Look,
Note, your smartphone must keep OS up. And also, when you use the method, I am sure you can off the vocal and message. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.